Hi there! My name is Ines, and welcome to Ness Macramé Studio. Today we're going to solve one of the biggest questions in macrame. How much cord do you actually need? Let's calculate together and make the whole process more comfortable. Ready? Let's go. I'm using my favorite 4mm cotton cord, and I've cut each strand exactly 1 meter long. Now I'll start knotting 3 of the most popular knots, and I'll keep going until the first cord runs out. First up, the square knot. All cords are measured from the same point, right under the board, and I'm tying identical square knots with the same tension. Since this is one of the most common knots, I'm really curious. How much length will I get before the first cord is gone? And here we are. 1 cord is already too short to continue. Let's measure the result. "27 centimeters. That means the multiplier, or coefficient, is 3.7. So if you're planning to make a 1 meter panel using square knots, you'll need cords about 3.7 meters long each. Next, let's move on to the spiral knot, one of the most cord-hungry knots out there. I've had so many projects where the cord just melted away in front of my eyes. Beautiful, elegant, but very tricky. And yes, again, the first cord is finished. By the way, in spirals, only the working cords are used up, and they do so evenly. The result? 17 centimeters. Which means the coefficient is 5.9. So for a 1 meter spiral, you'll need 5.9 meters per working cord. Now let's test the double half hitch. Here I'll only count the working cords because the filler cord follows different rules and can easily be extended if it runs out. This knot creates dense patterns and also eats up quite a lot of cord. The result? Again, 17 centimeters. So the coefficient is also 5.9, meaning for a 1 meter panel made entirely of double half hitches, each working cord should be about 5.9 meters long. And that's it. Experiment complete. Now you too can easily calculate cord lengths for parts of your project or even for whole pieces. And honestly, nothing makes a perfectionist happier than a clear calculation. At least, that's true for me. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more macrame ideas and tutorials. And of course, I'd love a like and a comment from you, Yellow Heart.